Let's first understand what's inequality. For example, if I tell you x is more than 5, what do I mean here? I mean all the numbers that are more than 5. That can be 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on. And if I ask you to represent this in a number line, just bring the number line here, and let's say 5 is here. So we'll start by 5 itself. In this part, does x equal 5? No, it's more than 5. So it's going to be something like this. The 5 is not included, and then you go to 6, 7, 8. So you're going this way. Now, if the question says x is more than or equals to 5, since it's including 5, so we include it here and we make a closed circle. Now, what if the question says x is less than or equals to 5? In this case, we will start at 5 again, and we will include the 5 because it's equal, and then we'll go this way. This is an easier way of explaining the basics of inequalities. Now, let's go and solve these questions and then represent them in the number line. Now, we'll first think of this like a linear equation. It's 3x minus 1 equals 5, and then we solve it that way. We don't usually write the equal sign itself. We'll just don't panic. Think of it like that. So what I will do here is I will do plus 1 on both sides. This will cancel. So I will have 3x more than 5 plus 1 is 6. And then we divide by 3. Divide by 3. You will get x is more than 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now we solved it. Representing it on a number line is just like what we did before. Now bring the number line. Just say this is 2 here, and then the 2 is not included, and we go more than 2. So that's it, we finished. This is how to solve and represent. Let's do this question here and see what's the difference. I'll just add equal. Now to solve this question, we'll first do plus 1 on both sides. That cancels. And then we will have 3x only on the left side is less than or equals to 5 plus 1 is 6. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. So x is less than or equals to 6 divided by 3 is 2. This is very good. Now to represent this, let's represent it here. Just bring the number line. Assume 2 is here. And then x is less than 2 is this side, these numbers here. So we'll start on the 2 itself. Is it included? Yes, because it's equals to 2. So like that, and then you go this way. Now this is how we solve the inequalities and how we represent them on a number line. Now let's look at another example and let's see if we can do it. If the question says 2x minus 1 is less than 9, what will we do here? We'll do plus 1, plus 1. This will cancel, so you'll have 2x is less than 10. Divide by 2, divide by 2, and then the 2 will cancel, so you'll have x is less than 10 divided by 2 is 5. How do you represent this? bring the number line, start at 5, and it's less than 5. So we start at 5 and we go to the negative numbers. And that's it for this question. Now, if you fully understand this, why don't you please try this question and post your answer in the comments. So try to solve 3y minus 4 is more than 17. Solve this. Now, there are some tricks which we will do in a different video. When this is negative, for example, negative 2x, that's totally different solution. So follow for part 2. Thank you. Bye.